let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven, Lord Jesus. Let it rain, Lord. Pour out your spirit on all flesh, Jesus. Open the floodgates of heaven. We need rain. Let it rain, oh Lord. Open the floodgates of heaven. Oh, we need the rain until we're never the same. Oh, open the floodgates of heaven. Oh, let it rain, Jesus. Let it rain, Lord. Open the floodgates of heaven over America. Let it rain, oh Lord. We need the rain. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it flood. Open the floodgates. Remove everything with the rain of your presence, Jesus. Remove everything that's in the way. Remove everything that's in the way of awakening. Remove everything that hinders your calling. Let it rain. Rain on us, Jesus. Hey, yeah. We need the rain in our churches, in our youth groups, in our worship teams, in our choirs, on our deacons, on our ushers, on our pastors. Jesus, let it rain, Lord, let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven, oh Lord, let it rain until our sons and our daughters